Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how I usually curl my hair on a day-to-day basis. This is also a good base to add some body, some textures to your hair for like an have to or an up to. Yeah, so let's begin. So first, I brush out all my hair. Okay. So I'll be using this Bumble Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. It's also a primer and a heat protectant. I just discovered it at Sephora and it seems to be doing pretty well. Especially now I have super dry and like damaged hair because of the coloring and bleaching. So yeah, this product has been really helping me a lot. Alright, so when all the products are dry in my hair, I'm going to divide my hair into half. So the curling iron I'm going to be using is this T3 1¼ I believe it's 1¼ inch curling iron. Taking kind of around this amount of hair. I don't usually have like a measurement or anything. I just grab that, pull it to the end, and then just turn it around. And just kind of let it go. But right after I let it go, I twist it a little bit, pull it, kind of loosen it up. As it is cooling, I'm trying to make it a little bit looser curl, and then I flick to the back and move on to the next piece. I think this bottom section on this side I could divide into two. So once again, I always go away from the face. Can't really see it that well because the camera is blocking my mirror, so I'm just trying to see it this way. But yeah. And then I will twist, 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 wiggle, 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 and then flick to the back. So that side is done for now. Let's move on to this side. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the next section. I will section of the crown area. So I'm going to take a piece like so from the back. Notice how I tend to take like a vertical piece. I just think the curl falls down a little bit nicer. So I do the same thing, like this. So sometimes when I take a vertical section, I feel like it's a little bit too thick. Either I take a thinner, or I will divide it into top and bottom. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking the crown section down. So grabbing a section of hair like this, I'm going to do the same thing again. how it turns out right after. If you like this style, definitely go for it. I like my hair to be a little bit more relaxed, so I will actually brush it through. Alright, so this is the final look. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you like my little quick tutorial on how to do this wavy hairstyle. If you like it, please comment down below and click the like button and subscribe to me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!